Rising fuel prices force local governments in Mindanao to declare a state of calamity. In this report, RJ Rosaldo shows us how the crisis is impacting small businesses and various sectors.
Sambuangueño businessman Andrew Lim has been in the catering business for more than 2 decades. However, this is the first time their monthly fuel expenses have more than doubled, from 60,000 pesos to 150,000 pesos. The surging prices of LPG and other supplies have also significantly reduced their profit margins amid rising operational costs.
Sabihin natin yung income namin kahit 2 months ago lang, mga 50% na nabawas sa sa taas ng mga diesel and LPG.
Despite these challenges, Lim has chosen not to scale down operations or lay off employees. Instead, he has gradually increased the prices of their products just to stay afloat. Aside from local businessmen, higher fuel prices have also affected the transport, agriculture, and fishery sectors in Zamboanga City. This prompted the local government unit to declare a state of calamity, allowing access to the 30% Quick Response Fund for relief distribution.
Since the start of the Middle East tensions, the city government has taken proactive steps and actions, convening the Price of Monitoring Council last March 6 to address the escalating fuel situation. And very unfortunate, prices of fuel are deregulated and cannot be controlled by our local government. It's up to the national government how they will decide and control this fuel problem in our country.
Zamboanga City Councilor Ray Bayona Bayuging, chairperson of the Committee on Trade, says that while cash assistance may help, it is only a temporary solution. He emphasized the need for the LGU to realign its priorities and budget allocations to strengthen the local economy against future shocks.
Sample, food security, dapat i-prioritize. Hindi siya dapat nandun sa top 10 pero nasa number 10 in terms of budget preparation. Dapat nandun siya sa number 2 or number 3. Because as of today, as far as sa city budget is concerned, ang city agriculture, food security is nandun sa number 10.
Aside from Zamboanga City, inter-island trade in Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi has also been affected by the spike in fuel prices. In Bonggao, Tawi-Tawi, the local government has declared a state of local emergency as fuel supplies continue to dwindle, forcing some gas stations to shut down. RJ Rosalado, Billonardo News Channel.